Greetings and salutations, and thank you for clicking on the video. This video is to give you guys a quick update on some of the things happening at EzeeLinux.com. I have made some changes to the page, and the first thing that I want to tell you guys about is this little page right here where I talk about Linux Mint. Linux Mint is the distro that I plan on focusing on 100% with new clients moving forward. There are a couple of reasons for that. First of all, this is the distro that people have asked for pretty much consistently over the last year. Every new client that has come to me through EzeeLinux.com has asked about Linux Mint. So I've gotten very good at installing Linux Mint on lots of different hardware. Also, I use Linux Mint at home. This is my distro of choice and has been for quite some time. People who watch my videos tend to think that I'm this notorious distro hopper. I only do that to show you guys the stuff, and I try and give my honest opinions. But I always end up going back to Linux Mint. It's what works for me, and it's what I know how to work with the best. This does not mean that I will not entertain helping somebody to install some other distribution of Linux. That will be handled on a case-by-case basis. If somebody comes to me and says, I really need to run Ubuntu and here's why I need it, then I'll be very happy to help. But most folks who come to me, they want Linux Mint. That's what they want. It seems to be the gateway distro for new users. Probably the second runner-up in that category would be Ubuntu Mate, which is also an awesome distro of Linux, and I'll be happy to help you get started with that if that's the one that you want to use. So here on the page, we just have a little bit of text, a couple of pictures, and then this little link here. You just click on the Linux Mint banner, and it will take you to the Linux Mint main page. So if you've just come across this video and you don't know a whole lot about it, you can come to EzeeLinux.com, and it will take you right over there. So pretty cool, huh? The other thing that I have done here on the web page that I think a lot of people are going to like is I have added a gallery of wallpapers. If you watch my videos and you see the wallpapers I use in the background, then you can come here and you can download them. You would be really surprised how many people send me messages all the time and say, hey, I really like that wallpaper, where can I get it? Most of the time I tell them to message me personally and I send them through email, all that kind of stuff. We don't have to do that anymore because the wallpapers will be here, and if somebody asks for a wallpaper that I have not already posted, I'll be glad to add it to the page. So I have about 20 of them up right now, and you can come and peruse this page and take a look at them. If you see one that you like, then all you got to do is click on it, and then the full-size image will open up in your browser, and then you can just right-click on it and save image as is what you're going to want to use, or you can copy the image and paste it somewhere. You guys know the drill on that. Most of you are pretty hip on saving images from the internet. So there you go, gang. I didn't mean to close the page, but I did. It's the new EzeeLinux.com. Do check that out, and of course, check out EzeeLinux on Facebook as well. That's a really hip and happening thing going on. If you go to EzeeLinux.com and your ad blocker is not configured to block it, you are going to see the Facebook feed there anyway. And hopefully I'm going to have some more cool features coming to EzeeLinux.com. Also check out FreedomPenguin.com for lots of great stories about Linux. I always like to give them a plug. If you want to learn more about Linux, there's always cool things happening there. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching the video. We'll do it again soon.